Away in a manger, the tenor part, soprano note, alto note, tenor note, and bass note. Tenors,